Ayos pa.
Sakto lang, baba mo pa, Mark.
Baba natin yung...
Sakto lang nga sa cornisa.
Hindi. Yung kamukha. Ayan, sakto sa cornisa nito. Oo.
Ay, oo.
Ito rin mga tinuod.
Oo, nonsa.
Mga tinuod.
Oo, taga-source.
Bato-bato ka, Noy? Maras-maras.
Bato mo, may taga-iwan din eh.
Wow. Talagang ano ah. Bye. Manok.
Kyle, palit mo na kayong dalawa.
Manage costs and
Yeah.
resources, thereby creating a significant
Nagkailo gitna ka pa ko.
full-service catering dedicated to the innovative, environmentally friendly, fresh, healthy, and most of all, delicious flavors of the culinary world. Rich Gold Weddings consistently provide exceptional service and outstanding cuisine with a distinguished presentation. For taste and elegance, Rich Gold's Weddings. Rich Gold partnered with Samuel Benasso to combine fresh, health-conscious cuisine with environmentally responsible practices, all thoughtfully paired with bold artistic expression. Together, they will be showcasing a shared